Are you looking for the best ice crushers? Ice crushers are more versatile than many consumers realize. Whether you're hosting a backyard party, stocking a busy bar, or simply craving a fluffy snow cones on a hot afternoon, the right device can elevate texture, consistency, and ease of use. This comparison analyzes 5 widely available models across manual and electric categories to help you match performance to your needs and budget. Our testing considered ice texture.
Product number 1, Ice Shaver. Overview. This man-bomb model positions itself as a budget-friendly, portable solution focused on manual operation. It includes an ice crusher device plus a silicone ice cube tray to freeze 15 cubes, enabling both shaved ice and block-sized ice for drinks. Aesthetically compact, it relies on 18/8 stainless steel blades with a 3-blade configuration, which the manufacturer claims improves cutting speed and precision. The device is marketed as BPA-free and designed for easy use, cleaning, and storage, making it appealing for outdoor gatherings or travel use where electricity isn't available. Performance-wise, the triple-blade setup is intended to deliver faster shaving than a single-blade design, but as a manual option, output speed will always depend on user cranking. The 1-liter capacity supports several drinks, and the included silicone ice cube tray ensures you can prepare uniform blocks to suit various beverages. Practical use cases range from slushies and margaritas to kid-friendly snow cones, with the upside of zero electricity and a light overall footprint. However, the manual mechanism means fatigue can become a factor during larger batches, and the plastic body may reveal durability trade-offs compared with heavier metal units. Cleaning is straightforward, and the trim design makes it easy to store away after entertaining.
Product number 2, Winco Manual Ice Crusher. Overview. The Winco ICP-9 is a compact, purpose-built manual ice crusher designed for bars, drink stations, and small venues. Its simple plastic housing and hand crank mechanism focus on durability and everyday reliability. With a stated capacity of around 1.5 pounds of ice, it's positioned as a practical workhorse for both coarse crystal chips and finer fragments, depending on how you operate the crank and blade exposure. The model is widely used in professional settings, which lends to confidence for occasional home use as well. In practice, the Winco unit offers straightforward performance. You feed ice chunks into the hopper, crank to produce ice chips suitable for beds, cocktails, or seafood displays. The lack of electronic components reduces maintenance concerns, but the manual operation means production speed is limited and fatigue can set in during large sessions. For users who want a reliable, no-frills device that won't break the bank, this model provides functional versatility, especially for those who prefer coarse or fine textures by adjusting technique. It's best for steady, day-to-day use rather than high-volume commercial throughput.
Product number 3, Dash Deluxe Shaved Ice. Overview. The Dash DSIM200GBA-Q04 is a compact, family-friendly electric shaved ice and slushy maker that ships with a 1-liter serving pitcher at a recipe guide. It emphasizes ease of use with adjustable blades and no-mess cleanup, aided by suction feet to stabilize the unit on countertops. Dash markets it as a versatile all-in-one solution for shaved ice, snow cones, margaritas, and slushies, making it well-suited for households that entertain frequently and want quick, accessible results. Performance-wise, the Dash model excels in user-friendliness and portability. The adjustable blades allow for a range of textures, while the included pitcher streamlines serving and cleanup. The suction feet improve stability on countertops, reducing movement during operation. Potential drawbacks include a smaller footprint that may limit batch size and a reliance on electricity, which can be a constraint for off-grid use. Nevertheless, for families or casual hosts who value simplicity and integrated serving capability, this model offers strong overall value at a mid-range price.
Product number 4, Dual Blade Ice Shaver Machine Electric. Overview. The Hermove model is a dedicated electric ice shaver designed for higher volume operation. A dual blade system paired with a 300-watt motor can push up to 143 pounds of ice per hour, making it suitable for home parties, snack bars, and small commercial settings. The design includes a built-in trip switch, a waterproof power switch, a double cover protection, and a stainless steel blade set, underscoring a focus on safety, durability, and spill containment. The package also includes an ice pick for breaking larger blocks, which helps maintain flow and control during busy service.
In use, this machine delivers consistent performance with a robust build. The dual blades offer faster processing and more flexible texture control, while the splash guard and heavy base reduce mess and noise. Cleanup is aided by the steel bowl and rust-resistant shell. For operators, the 2200 RPM speed translates into quicker batch turnover, which is appealing for parties or venues that require steady throughput. Potential downsides include higher upfront cost relative to manual units and larger footprint, plus ongoing electrical energy needs. Still, it's a compelling option for those who regularly require high-volume shaved ice.
Product number 5. Cuisinart Snow Cone Maker, SCM-10P1. Overview. The Cuisinart SCM-10P1 represents a premium, high-capacity snow cone system with a professional-grade motor and interlock safety features. It's designed to produce shaved ice rapidly from standard ice cubes and is accompanied by a notable accessory bundle: 4 reusable cones and a dozen paper cones, plus a pull-out serving tray for easy presentation. The unit emphasizes reliability for frequent entertaining, with a claimed capacity to produce enough ice for 4 to 5 cones in under a minute, and BPA-free construction for consumer safety. Performance-wise, this model targets performance and ease of service in larger gatherings. The professional motor and interlock safety make it a convenient, heavy-use option, while the included accessories enhance value for households that entertain often. The apparent trade-offs are a higher price and a more substantial appliance footprint. Some technical spec data in the listing, for example, dimensions and voltage, appears inconsistent with typical kitchen deployments, so buyers should verify in person or via official spec sheets before purchase. Overall, for families seeking rapid, consistent shaved ice with a premium feel, this is a strong performer worth the investment.